Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. 7 fall produce items you should try. There are many autumnal fruits and vegetables that people neglect. Seasonal produce always tastes better because it's fresher and gets to ripen longer before picking. There's no shame in buying fall favorites, but it's beneficial to step outside your comfort zone and try other seasonal produce items. Seize the opportunity to eat them before they are out of season. Let's dive into the lesson. Cellularic. This may not be the most attractive vegetable, but it is extremely versatile and contains beneficial antioxidants, minerals, and fiber. Cellularic, or celery root, is a perfect potato substitute. You can boil it and mash it, or cube it, season it, and roast it. You can also enjoy it raw, incorporating it into fall slaws or salads. Broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe is closely related to the turnip and offers a crisp, slightly bitter flavor in the stem, and with nutty broccoli-esque buds. It is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, iron, and folate. You can saute, steam, roast, or grill broccoli rabe with olive oil, sea salt, pepper, garlic, and lemon juice for a perfectly healthy side dish. Delicata squash. Delicata squash is striking in its appearance, but it's not the most popular autumnal squash. It has a prominent earthy flavor similar to butternut squash and pumpkin. It's an easy squash to prepare and cook, as it does not require peeling or roasting beforehand. Persimmons. Persimmons exhibit powerful antioxidants and a high fiber content. Some studies found that antioxidants may help fight inflammatory stress during flu and cold season. You can eat persimmons raw like apples or pears, or you can add them to salads. They pair well with assertive flavors like arugula or mixed greens. There are many sweet and savory recipes that feature persimmons as well. Asian pears. Asian pears look like oversized apples, and many people mistake them for apples. The skin is caramel, the texture is crisp and juicy, and the flavor is quite refreshing and sweet. It's best to enjoy them fresh on their own, but you can slice them into thin slivers and add them to salads. Quince. Quince is a hard green fruit native to parts of Asia and the Mediterranean. They are excellent sources of vitamin C, copper, fiber, and offer a small amount of B vitamins and magnesium. They do, however, exhibit potent antioxidant activity, helping to protect cells from unstable free radicals. Quinces are rarely eaten raw because they are extremely sour and astringent flavor. More often than not, people add quince to stews, soups, or baked desserts. Moondrop grapes. If you stumbled across moondrop grapes in the wild, you might think they were mini eggplants. They have a deep purple skin and are more cylindrical than the average grape. They have a high concentration of antioxidants and exhibit a sweeter, crunchier flavor than regular green or red grapes. Take advantage of them during their short season by snacking on them or adding them to salads. Experiment with these 7 fall produce items to put a healthy new spin on your dishes this autumn season. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.